RT is the 5.7, right? And it started making this noise. You hear the knock down there? It's not a lifter. Well, I don't even know if it's a lifter. I'm gonna check under the. I'm gonna take the oil pan off, drop the oil pan, and then check the rods to see if anyone's loose. If it's loose, then that's the problem. Alright guys, so the noise was not the crankshaft. It was a lifter. We were looking at them and it's a collapsed lifter. Watch it go down. You see it go down? That's a dead lifter. It should not be going down. The spring or something inside, it messed up, so it's a failure. That's a good lifter right here. One of the old ones.